Centerpag Review, 2025 Legit Online Store or Potential Scam. Honest breakdown. Most people get this wrong by assuming unknown online stores are scams. The surprising truth is that Centerpag appears to be a legitimate online retailer, but caution is advised before purchasing. The store offers electronics, home goods and accessories. You won't believe the variety, with competitive prices and detailed product descriptions. Users report receiving items as described and packaging protects fragile products. Some buyers mention longer shipping times for international orders. Payment methods include credit cards and PayPal, secured with SIL encryption. The surprising truth is that even legit stores can have delays or stock issues, so verifying shipping and return policies is essential. In conclusion, Centerpag is a legit online store with a broad product range. Most people get this wrong by assuming new or unfamiliar sites are scams. With careful review of policies and secure payments, shopping here can be safe and satisfactory.